What's up everyone, and welcome to the channel. In previous videos I've talked about the sunglasses with the built-in camera I got. A couple other guys in the Mopar community, RT Life and MTG Collections, they both have some sunglass cameras as well. So I found a pair on Amazon that I liked and decided to pick them up, and like I said, a couple of videos around the unboxing and the review of them. The one thing that's kind of sucky about them is the fact that they're sunglasses, so if you're trying to use them at night or if you're trying to use them in dark environments, obviously they're not that beneficial. So because I wanted to be able to potentially use them while I was doing installs inside the garage or inside the car itself, I did some additional research, and I kind of mentioned this in the review video, that I found a set of glasses that actually had interchangeable lenses, and actually came with clear and yellow lenses, with the theory being the yellow lenses are better for nighttime driving. So I did pick them up on Amazon, much like the first set of glasses which I got. They were regularly $69. I got them for $10. Still not sure how that happened. This particular set of glasses on Amazon, and I'll put a link to them in the description to the video, they sell normally for $80 some, and it just happened to be that I was looking at them one day on Amazon after having already saw them. I was looking at them again, and Amazon was running some kind of lightning deal, and I literally got them for half price. So I got these for like $40. Since I paid so little for the first set, I figured, what, these at half price, it's kind of a no-brainer too. So went ahead and picked them up, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them now. So I can tell you right off the bat, the case that they come in is a lot bigger than the case that the PAL Pro, the glasses that I have, came in. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, and within that, there's actually a soft cloth bag, and the glasses are actually in there right now. You can see they actually send a wall charger, and within the case itself, you can see there's a nice little pouch there for your extras. Here is the yellow lenses. Here are the clear lenses. You can tell they're pretty thin. It's not like they're impact resistant or anything like that, but I'm sure they do what they're supposed to do. Standard USB charging cord type of thing. Not sure what these are. I think these are something to do with the bridge of the nose, to maybe change the width of the parts that come around the bridge of your nose, so they're not as tight on you or whatever. That I still have to check into. They actually come with a neck strap, so you can put these on the back of the arms, and hang them off your neck if you want. Instructions. By the way, this is the brand and the model, I assume. Actually comes with an SD card or micro SD card. That's nice. I don't have to worry about picking one of those up. Of course, I'm not sure what size this is. I think it's an 8 gigabyte. No, it's actually 16 gigabytes. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not, but I think that's 16 gigabytes. That's nice. Got that. The user guide and a cleaning cloth. So, I mean, all in all, in the grand scheme of things, I paid for these glasses the same price as the actual regular price of the first glasses I got. So basically, I've got the equivalent of 3 sets of glasses. If you consider the 2 sets of lenses you can change. It's got the wall charger. I mean, this kit comes with a lot more than that other set of glasses I got. So I'm kind of happy I picked this up. Again, based on the price, it just seemed like it was a no-brainer. Unfortunately, I have found a couple of other sets since then that I might actually have liked better, but we'll start with these right now and see how these go. I still plan on using the other ones. I think what I'm going to do is I'll probably put either the amber lenses or the clear lenses on these, and use these with those lenses. So these look pretty much the same as the other ones. You got the micro SD slot right there, the USB port there. The one thing I don't like about this, and I don't know whether this will be a problem or not, but you know, that slot for the micro SD card is wide open. Same thing with the USB port. At least with those other ones, there is a little bit of a rubber gasket that covers the USB port. The micro SD card slot on that one is also open, so I mean, it's not like these are you know, waterproof or anything like that. The other nice thing about these is these actually do, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the side of the glasses there, but they do video and still pictures. So unlike the other ones will only do video. With these, you can actually take a picture instead of doing just the video. So that's another neat little aspect of these. So you can see, you know, what they look like. They look pretty much just like the other glasses. You know, the camera's in the front. The only thing I did notice is, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but you can see that the camera actually kind of extends out a little bit on the front of the glasses, whereas the other one, the camera lens is actually flush. It's straight across. There's no embellishment like that. I mean, these, if somebody walks up to you, you can clearly see that there is a camera, you know, on the front of these glasses. That other set of glasses, it's actually, if you get close enough, you can tell, but you know, at a distance, that camera's kind of inset into that black frame, so it kind of makes it difficult to see that there's even a camera there. I would think that this camera here also, you know, the lens is actually flush, so touching it's going to obviously make that dirty pretty quickly. But anyway, here's the new set of glasses. When I get a chance to put these on and drive with them, I'm going to do that, and I will post some footage. The part that I'm really interested to see is the actual camera angle on these. You know, the first glasses I got, if you look at that video, it actually looks like I'm actually almost sitting on top of the steering wheel, because even though it's first person perspective, you can't see hardly any of the car inside. You can only see basically part of the dashboard, not the windshield. I believe those that set of glasses, the camera on there is only like a 64-degree viewing angle. I noticed in watching RT Life's videos that when he's wearing his glasses, I mean, you can see almost the full interior of his car as he's driving. So I think that the glasses that he has, and I've looked at them, I think his glasses actually have like a 140-degree viewing angle or something along those lines, so it's a much wider viewing angle. So that was another reason why I wanted to pick these up, because I want to see if the viewing angle on these are any better. I've online reading about these glasses and looking at the specs for these glasses, I've gotten like conflicting information depending on, you know, what site you're reading and whose review you're reading and all that other stuff. I've seen that they're the same viewing angle, they're different viewing angles, so that remains to be seen. But anyway, here's the new set of glasses, and keep a lookout for you know, a second video showing, you know, samples of what this video footage looks like. I think what I'm going to do is probably take the video footage from the other glasses, and kind of like I did with my actual regular camera, I'm probably going to show video footage from the first glasses and video from this glasses, sound and all that stuff, so you can do a comparison between you know, the two different glasses. So anyway, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for that second video.